from the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement. Here's this week's Quick Tip.
In this week's Quick Tip, we are going to explore EdPuzzle, which allows you to create instant flipped lessons and integrate with your Google Classroom. EdPuzzle uses video platforms such as YouTube and TED Talks and allows the teacher to crop the length of the video, record audio voiceover, and embed short answer and multiple choice questions. EdPuzzle is extremely easy to use. It provides student feedback. You can share the videos with your colleagues, and best of all, EdPuzzle is free. To create your account with EdPuzzle, you need to go to edpuzzle.com and click Log In. You'll choose Login as a teacher and use your Google single sign-on. That means select your RUSD Learns account. Once you're logged into EdPuzzle, you'll be at the teacher dashboard. We need to make sure to integrate our Google Classroom, so you'll want to first select My Classes. After I've selected My Classes, on the bottom left, I need to select Import from Google Classroom. This will bring up all of my current Google Classrooms. I can then select the class or classes that I would like to integrate into Google Classroom and EdPuzzle. Then select Import Classes. After I've imported the class or classes that I would like, I need to find some content, so click on Content. You can search for pre-made EdPuzzles or popular channels and create your own from scratch. I'm going to search for the life cycle of a butterfly. When I see a number with this icon, it tells me how many questions are already embedded in these teacher-created videos. I'm going to take a look at the life cycle of a butterfly because it's about 5 minutes and it has 10 questions embedded. When I'm ready, after I've previewed all of the video and all of the questions, I can choose to edit this current EdPuzzle. I can make a copy of the EdPuzzle as is, and I can assign it from right here. I've decided I like this EdPuzzle and I want to assign it to my students beginning tomorrow. Then you need to choose which class or classes you would like to assign this EdPuzzle to. Scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that the settings are the way you would like. I would like to make sure my students cannot skip any part of the video. I would like to turn on closed captioning for my students, and I would like a post in my Google Classroom. Then you'll click Assign. After your students have completed the EdPuzzle in real time, you can see their data. So here's an example from a class where I can see the student name, how much of the video they've watched, and it's all multiple choice for this example so I can see what their score is. There's some best practices when using EdPuzzle with your classroom. I think it's best to keep the video under 5 minutes to keep students fully engaged. You want your students to all wear headphones so that they don't disrupt others and they can clearly hear what the video is saying. Provide feedback for wrong answers and make sure to monitor the students' progress in real time. The first time you use EdPuzzle with your students, explicitly tell them what you want from them. Remind them that they should re-watch something if they don't understand. Practicing close listening skills is very important. Also, show them that you can see the data. And it's really nice to record your voice. Research shows that students pay 3 times more attention if they hear a familiar voice. And lastly, share your excitement. Students will learn through the video and celebrate that. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Quick Tip on EdPuzzle, which allows you to create instant flipped lessons and integrates nicely with Google Classroom.